we are discussing about the empirical formula of simple interest. That means for 100 rupees, suppose for rupees 100 at the rate of 10% per annum for 1 year, how much interest will be calculated, how much interest will be incurred, that will be calculated by the formula simple interest I is equal to P into R into T by 100. So there, if the principal is rupees 100, rate of interest is rupees 10 and time is 1 year, then the interest will be incurred as this 100 cancels, so 10 into 1 is rupees 10. So simple interest for 100 rupees for 1 year at the rate of 10% is rupees 10. So the amount, what is the amount? Amount is that what principal was there, when we are adding the interest of that year with the previous year's principal is coming as the amount. So amount is coming as the principal plus interest for that year. So that is coming as our principal was rupees 100, interest has been incurred rupees 10. So now the amount after 1 year is coming as rupees 110. So if we want to invest that money for the next year, the same rate. So at the end of the 1 year, our principal is how much now? Our principal is rupees 110. So principal is rupees 110. So interest for the second year will be how much? That will be calculated over the formula by the P into R into T by 100. So here is principal is 110, rate of interest is 10%, time is 1 year by 100. So calculating we can get that money is coming as rupees 11 for the next year. So the total interest for those 2 years, first year the interest we got that is rupees 10, second year interest has been incurred as rupees 11. So at the end of second year, the interest has been incurred as rupees 21. So it is the difference is created when we have calculated the interest for 2 years together with the simple interest, we got rupees 20 as the interest, and when we are calculating the interest for first year and for the second year separately, calculating the principal as rupees 100 for the first year and the principal as 110 for the next year, so the interest difference is coming. So this difference of interest is because of the compounding the principal into interest. That means previous year's interest is added with the previous year's principal is coming as the principal for the next year. So when we are compounding the interest with the principal and we are applying for the next year, that way of calculating interest is known as compound interest. And the compound interest is the interest where the interest of 1 year will be adding with the previous year's principal is coming as a principal for the next year. So that's why we are seeing the interest difference. 21 rupees was the interest for the simple interest for 2 years, and the same amount it has been incurred rupees 21 as interest for the first year and second year adding together. So that's why the difference between the compound interest and simple interest is coming like this. So we have to remember that the compound interest is the interest incurred by the principal for the time given. After that time, the interest is adding with the principal and coming as a principal for the next year. So that is compounding, and that is known as compound interest. And we shall now discuss the different ways and means to calculate the compound interest, its rate and its time, how to find it out by it. Now we'll calculate how to find out the empirical formula to find out the compound interest. So you see, let the principal be P, rate of interest is R% per annum, and time is 1 year. So interest for the first year will be calculated by the formula P into R into T by 100. So in this case it is coming as P into R into 1, that is PR by 2. So it is the interest incurred for the first year. After that, when we are adding this interest with the previous year's principal B, so the amount or the principal for the second year, which will be invested for the second year, that will be equal to principal, previous year's principal B plus interest incurred for 1 year, that is they are summing up and is coming as taking P as common. So here is left 1 plus it is R by 100. So at the end of 2 years, we are getting the principal is coming as P into 1 plus R by 100. That is taken as the amount in the second year. So if we want to find out what will be the interest in the at the second year will be how much? So interest for the second year will be calculated with the same formula P into R into T. That is P into, what is the principal now? This is the principal. That is P into 1 plus R by 100. So P into 1 plus R by 100 as principal. Rate of is R. Time is 1 year by 100. So after calculating, you are getting this thing. This R and this P is multiplied. P into R by this 100 is taken out. So left is that 1 plus R by 100. So this is the interest up at the end of second year. Say after end of second year, when the interest is incurred like this is interest at the end of second year. So this interest is added with the principal at the end of first year. So at the end of first year, principal was this. That was at the end of principal. So you can understand that amount or principal at the end of the second year will be how much? So principal for the first year, that is P into 1 plus R by 100, P into 1 plus 100 plus the interest for the second year, that is P R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. So you can take here from P is common. It is 1 plus R by 100 is common factor, is taken common. So P into 1 plus R by 100 is taken common out. What will be left here? It will be left 1. So this is 1 plus it will be left how much? It will be left how much? R by 100 will be left. So that is 1 plus R by 100 is there. So this is the calculation of the amount at the end of second year. So simplify more. 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. So we can take that thing is that P into 1 plus R by 100 square. So if at the end of first year it is coming as P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1. At the end of 2 years it is coming P plus P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. So at the end of 3 years it will be coming how much? At the end of third year it will be coming as P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. Similarly, at the end of fourth year, how much it will be calculated? The amount will be, the calculation will be remain same, only the power will be 4. If it is after 5 years, the power will be 5. So by this way, if we want to formalize this thing for n years, that means for any number of years, you can find out the amount after n years. N is variable. For any number of years, the formula will be equal to, amount will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. And this formula will be used just to calculate the amount after any number of years for any principal and for any number of rate of interest. So this formula will be using as empirical formula to calculate the compound interest amount, and from there interest will be calculated, that is that the compound interest will be equal to amount minus principal. And by that way we can calculate the compound interest from this empirical formula easily by putting the variables. P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of times it is converting. So with this formula we will be going to the problems given in the exercise 6.1. Okay, now we will be discussing how the compound interest will be discussed when it is compounded yearly, half yearly or quarterly. Yearly means once in a year the interest will be added with the principal. Half yearly means after 6 months the interest will be calculated and that interest will be added with the principal. And thirdly, if it is quarterly, so after 3 months, after each 3 months, the interest will be calculated and will be added with the previous principal of the previous quarter. So when the condition will be coming like this thing, whether it will be yearly compounded, half yearly compounded or quarterly compounded, then the rate of interest, when it will be given, rate of interest per annum, then we have to convert the rate of interest per conversion period. Per conversion period means what? In which, after which time the interest is being calculated over the principal is known as the conversion period. So when it is yearly compounded, so R%, rate of interest R% will be smaller percent. Smaller percent is defined as the rate per conversion period, and that will be used in the formula. You will see small r we have used, not capital R, in case of calculating the compound interest. So if it is half yearly compounded, then R%, R means rate of interest per conversion period will be equal to rate per annum divided by 2, because 2 times it is converted in a year. So that's why it is divided by 2. If it is quarterly compounded, then small r, rate of interest per conversion period, will be equal to capital R by 4. If suppose the rate of interest was 10%, if it is converted half yearly, so rate will be equal to 10 by 2, that is 5%. If it is quarterly compounded, then rate of interest will be 10 by 4%, that is equal to, that is R will be equal to this, R is equal to this, so it is 2.5% and so on. So we have to remember after what time the rate of interest is converted, that is compounded, either whether it is yearly, quarterly or half yearly, we have to remember. Next thing, that when it is compounded yearly, the time is t. T will be converted to n. N is the number of conversion period per year. So if it is compounded yearly, so time t is 1 year will be equal to n is equal to 1, because in a year it is 1 time converted. If it is compounded half yearly, so how many times it is? Time t will be converted into 2, because 2 times it will be 2 times it will be converted, and quarterly if it is, so time will be equal to thrice n. So n will be equal to this time t will be equal to t years, n years will be equal to, so n will be equal to 2 into time t, and here will be n will be equal to 4 into time t when it is half yearly compounded and quarterly compounded. So in the basic formula of compound interest amount, when we are calculating, so amount will be equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Remember, r is equal to rate per conversion period and n is equal to total number of conversion period. Total number of conversion period. So by this way you can calculate the total amount, and from there interest when it is yearly compounded, half yearly compounded or quarterly compounded. After this I will tell you to go through the details and try to understand the formula, how it is evolved, how to use the formula to solve the problems. And finally, please solve the problem from exercise 6.1, question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. And after completing this thing, what type of problem you are facing, please let me know by your WhatsApp group, and we will be discussing the problems of you which is arised in the process of solving those problems. Okay, today up to here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we are going through some problems on compound interest. Firstly, exercise 6.1, question number 1. I am telling you the problem has been a little bit reduced because as it is the first problem of the chapter, so I have taken the most easy data so that the calculation will be easier for you and you can understand it clearly. So read the problem carefully. I invested rupees 5,000 in a bank at the rate 10% compound interest. Calculate the amount of money I will get back at the end of 3 years. At the end of 3 years, how much money I will be getting back from the investment. So we know the formula for calculating amount on or compound interest, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where P is equal to rupees 5,000, R is equal to 10% per annum, time is 3 years. As it is compounded yearly, so the time will be, number of conversion time will be n is equal to 3. So putting these three values of P, R and T in these formulas, we are writing rupees 5,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 at the power 3 because n is equal to 3. So calculating then, you will be getting this 10, 10, 1, 10 cancel. So 10, taking the LCM, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole cube. So calculating that thing, the rupees 5,000 into 11 into 11 into 11, as it is cube is there, divided by 10 into 10 into 10. So multiplying these three, 11 into 11 into 11, you can get 11 11 is 121, and multiplying by 11, you will be getting 1,331. So that is 1,331 is coming from there, and multiplying 10 into 10 into 10, that is coming as 1,000. So that 1,000. So 30 and this 30 cancel each other, and finally we are getting the value of this thing rupees 6,655 rupees. That is the amount we will get back at the end of 3 years when 5,000 rupees was the principal, rate of interest was 10%, and it is calculated for the 3 years. So this is the amount you can get back from the bank after 3 years.